Well, hey, all you Facebook friends and neighbors out there, it's Jake Johnston with the Texas Rockstar Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Hey, out here in front of our new listing coming on the market. Address is 18202 Stockton Springs Drive. We're in Terravista Estates, a gated neighborhood here in Spring, Texas, Klein ISD. You can see the beautiful front yard back here behind me. Guys, this home is beautiful. It's a single-story open floor plan. It consists of about 3,000 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, beautiful back covered porch, and kitchen's beautiful. It's open to the family room. A lot of great updates throughout this house. Crown moldings, plantation shutters throughout, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a 3-car garage back over here behind us as well. So the seller has taken just really great care of this property. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be listed at $319,000. We've got photos being done yesterday, so this home will be hitting the market next week. So we're excited to bring that to you. If you guys have any questions or need anything, reach out to me, 281-660-4797. You can find me on Facebook, Jake Johnston Realtor, online too, jaketherockstar.com. I look forward to bringing you this great house, and if you're in the market or if there's anything we can do to serve you, please reach out. We'd love to be a resource. Hey, thanks so much.